Okay, we're now live on YouTube. So then, Mr. Mendoza, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Joe Mendoza?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Joe Mendoza who in this call's number CC 684-022, who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
In this case, it's possible that you can be punished anywhere from a
Hey,
minimum
Joe.
of 72 hours in jail up to maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I look at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. You have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, how do you plead? Guilty
No contest.
or no contest?
No contest.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides any kind of plea bargain, that's a lawyer got for you. Besides that, anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Aldape?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Mendoza? Mr. Mendoza,
Yes, sir.
do you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Mendoza, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Because it's a DWI, don't I have to order a driver's license suspension somewhere? I think I do. But I'm going to do it for 6 months.
Yes, Your Honor. And he just received a 6-year TDCJ sentence. So
Okay.
he'll be in custody during the period.
All right, and I'm also going to type in here defendant is indigent. That may or may not help him in the future if he tries to reinstate his license with DPS. They have kind of penalties and stuff involved with that. So hopefully that'll help him with that, should that ever happen. So he's got a hold for TDC, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the case is no longer holding you, sir, on the TDC thing. So you should be transferred, all right? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Take care. And you can be excused, Mr. Aldape. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You too. And then we have Ed Garza on Avila, and I'm waiting. I don't see any paperwork on that yet.
Terry, my supervisor said that we don't do fax and we haven't done it in a long time down here. So she said that she's going to email you.
Okay, no
Okay.
worries. I'll just fax it to my office at County Court Administration
Okay.
and just pick it up from there. The third floor of the pet building is where I'll have the judge sign it right now and fax it over ASAP.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Is that gonna work then, Terry?
Yeah, we'll just work it that way. Oh, here's the interpreter. Yeah, Joe, I'll just fax it over there so at least we can get that one done. And then the next one, I'll have to ask my office how they want to do it. So, but at least they can get this one ASAP and get this one done. And if not, Judge, anytime that we want to send stuff to Carruthers, maybe we just have the attorney of record do their own paperwork. I don't know, Judge. It's just on this one. Now we're stuck with it, having to get it done. And now we have to figure out how to get it to them. So I'll just fax it to County Court Admin, and they can pick it up from there. I'll call someone over there to let them know that they're coming to pick it up. And
Okay.
Mr. Chavez is here, the interpreter.
Okay.
We're almost ready, Mr. Chavez.
No worries, Terry.
Okay, yeah, we still have the attorney conferring with this client.
You want to bring the bond? No, I'm talking Alex. Yeah.
Hurry up and wait.
Not many. I got the two females in here already. Who has that previous judge?
Judge,
Yes.
I was
If
asking,
you're- stay out.
about if we do the felonies first, there's only two.
Okay, if we have the attorney here, I'm fine.
I don't know yet. I just want to let you know.
Okay.
Who are you? Oh, come here, man. Oh, he's still here.
So,
Here we are. We still have a plea. We still have a plea pending. Alex, you tell us so. Yeah. Name is Catherine 6269. Notice captain 6269.
I'm wondering if I should get Sonia on here and start doing the dockets with her.
Yeah, I just told the attorneys to get on. I'll call her just to get on 3078.
Who is Carl DeCoates? Who it is? Who it is? Maybe I guess he has a client. We'll see.
I'm sorry, Judge.
There's a Carl DeCoates in the.
Yeah,
What?
he's got on the felony, on the misdemeanor judge on page, I think he's doing the last one. No, let's see.
He's got a bond, misdemeanor bond. Is that what he's here for?
Yeah, no, number 25, Judge, on the misdemeanor.
Okay.
Torres Briseño, it looks like we need an interpreter for that one too, so we might have to hold, that's what it says on here, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, with the names where they usually happen, they like that. They're Mexican nationals usually. Torres Briseño. Okay. Okay, there's Sonia. Can we let her in? Okay. Good morning, Sonia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can I go? We got one attorney left on a plea and he's conferring in a breakout room. So can I go with the docket with you while we're waiting on him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I got the misdemeanors in front of me. Can we start with the misdemeanors?
Yes.
Okay. Number 1, not handled. Number 2, bonded out. Number 3, bonded out. What about 4?
4 should be there.
5, bonded out. 6.
Should be there.
7, not handled. 8, bonded out. 9, bonded out. 10, not handled. 11, not handled. 12, bonded out. What about 13?
13 should be there.
14 and 15, not handled. What about 16?
16 should be there.
17,
Should be there.
18, not handled. 19, bonded out. 20, bonded out. 21, not handled. 22, bonded out. 23,
Should be there.
24, refused. 25.
Should be there.
Okay, so that's the, let's see. Make sure. That's the misdemeanors. Is that correct?
Correct.
Now we'll go with the felony one. On the felonies, I don't know about number 1, but I don't have him listed as being here. So
Number 1 is
not handled, I guess.
correct. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. 2.
2 and 3 should be there.
Okay, so that's it on the felonies. All right, so we're still waiting on Mr. Gaddisat to finish with his client. I notice we have Mr. Carl DeCoates here, and Mr. DeCoates, you have a misdemeanor bond on a person named Torres Briseño, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll ask the deputies if we can do him. We got an interpreter here, so and we'll need an interpreter. It looks like, is that right?
Yes.
Probably. All right. So once we get that plea done, don't leave, Mr. Chavez, because then we'll do another a bond hearing. All right.
No worries, Your Honor. I'll be here. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. So, come on, Abe. What's going on with you?
Master Control Warehouse Finder, please.
What's going on this side?
Sure.
I got a email here. You're supposed to have court at 9, but they haven't called them.
Mute the auxiliary port bench right now.
You're supposed to have court.
Try it. Have you called?
Three, nine, one, one. Try that.
Maybe we ought to start doing the bonds. You want to stick your head in there with Abe and ask him how much longer he thinks it'll be, Teresa?
Sure,
Because
Judge, let me go.
I think it's gonna be a little bit longer than tell them, but we're gonna start doing the bonds and they can come back in. Hey, Ramirez. Well, that didn't work.
Yes, sir.
Gil, on the bonds, I'd like to do number 25 first because we have the attorney here on the misdemeanors.
Okay. Oh, man. No problem.
I'm sorry. Well, we have an attorney here and and we also have an interpreter that we also need to get rid of too. Not
Okay.
get rid of, move out of here.
Whenever you're ready, Torres, come here. Torres.
Okay, we're not ready quite yet. I'm waiting to hear from Teresa what's going on with that plea.
Sorry.
His client is
Teresa?
signing.
Pardon me?
His client is signing.
It's kind of signing right now, so it should be out.
Yeah, he should be out soon, Judge. He's signing his paperwork.
We're gonna do that plea and then we'll do the misdemeanor bond on the number 25 person, so we can move the interpreter out here to do more productive work somewhere else. Yes, I'm sure he's eager to do that.
No, sir. I'd always like it to be here, sir.
Yeah. Like being sent to Siberia, no. Okay.
I don't know if Mr. Torres has an ICE hold or not. I'm hoping not. Perhaps I can confirm.
Well,
with
this
him
is
in a
just a
breakout
bond
room.
hearing. I'm sorry, this is just a bond hearing. It's not a plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the clerk may be able to tell you. So now, do you know if that person has a
Who is it for?
the name on that person is
Torres recent.
Torres Briseño, number 25 on my bond docket.
Okay, let me look on Odyssey really quick.
Okay.
I'm not seeing an ICE hold, but I am seeing their special conditions and something called ILO. I don't know what that is.
Okay. Thank you, Sonai.
Uh-huh.
Judge,
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Garza is still conferring with his client. Do you want to knock this one out first, or?
Well, he told me that Teresa told me that he was signing.
Well, he's having a conversation with him, so I guess they're talking about the plea.
Okay. Well, let's take care of Mr. Man, I hate to do that because once I do that, I got to take us off live tube and then put us back on live tube.
Oh, hold on, Judge. I don't think he's done. Never mind. Don't worry about it. We got it.
Okay. All right. I'm still waiting for the paperwork to come on my screen, and I'm waiting for Mr. Garza to come on my screen as well. Either one is occurring right now.
Dang it. Come here, sir. Sit good.
Okay. Hold on. Did he sign? Because it's not.
Judge, it should be sent to you. It says it's sent off.
Okay. I'm waiting. Okay, Abe.
We're ready, Judge.
You're ready. I saw that glamour shot, man. Pretty cool on your screensaver. That was like when you were, what, 40 years ago? When you were a fit young man? At least? All
Yeah,
right.
before.
I'm waiting on the paperwork to come to my screen on your client.
Okay. And just for the record, Judge, I think I put Vasquez instead of Velasquez on on top of one, on some of them.
Okay. I'm
But it's,
waiting.
Avia Velasquez. Not
Okay.
Vasquez.
Still waiting on the paperwork. Oh, okay. Avila Velasquez.
Unless I put Vasquez. But
No, I mean, usually I can tell when it comes in because it says sent from Teresa Alcantara.
Okay.
I don't have a, oh, there he comes. It just came in. Okay, so I've got his paperwork on my screen, and now I have to hit the dreaded interpreter button. Sign in, Mr. Chavez, as the interpreter. And then hit the English only button. So now the interpretation is set up. Can you test it, Mr. Chavez?
¿Lo oyes?
Sí.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand for me, sir? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sí.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Leonard?
Or Avia Velasquez.
Hold on a minute. Is your name Leonard Avila Velasquez?
Velázquez, sí, Velázquez.
Are you the same Leonard Velasquez with this cause number? And Sonite, can you, wherever it says Vasquez, can you correct that to show Velasquez?
Yes, I will.
Are you the same Leonard Velasquez with this cause number 2024 CC 73851, who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Is that you?
Sí, señor.
Okay, this case, it is possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail up to a maximum of 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible, anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Sí, señor.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Sí, señor.
I'm now looking at a document that is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed this document, and so is your attorney. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí, señor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí, señor.
And do you understand it?
Sí, señor.
Now, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Sí, señor.
In other words, if you have a green card, it is possible you could lose your green card. It is possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, señor.
Mr. Garza, did you confer with the client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, sir, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated is the first offense. How do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me pongo.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Sí, señor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, señor.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Sí, señor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. This case was filed as a DWI second, and the state does move to waive the enhancement to proceed as a DWI first.
Okay, I should have done that at the beginning. I'm sorry. That is granted, so it's still a DWI first, and I've already admonished him on that. So go ahead. What's the plea bargain?
It's for a $0 fine, court cost, 73 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Garza?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Velasquez?
Sí, señor.
And Mr. Velasquez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 73 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Hey, do you know if your client has any of the holds, like a immigration hold?
He has an immigration hold, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. And so this case, as far as this case is concerned, this case is done, but you still have an immigration hold that will hold you in jail. Do you understand that?
Sí, señor.
Good luck to you, sir. Tell the deputies that we're finishing their case, all right?
Yo no es que venga y te recoge la inmigración.
Gracias, buen día.
And then thank you for helping us out today with this case. Thank you. You can be excused. Good to see you.
Judge, you have a good one.
You too. Okay, now someone tell me the magic words.
Turn off YouTube, Judge.
You know, I've noticed that the court reporter is saying a lot faster than the probation officer is saying it these days.